Okay, we're here with Salaya, and she wanted to say a little bit about my work and how that has impacted her. So why don't we start with what what you saw my work and you're drawn to it, and what from your experience made it seem like, oh, okay, this is real or makes sense for you to use.
I found your work through a dear friend who was going through a housing foreclosure, and she was looking for methods and solutions to resolve that. And she, at the time, I was actually researching flat Earth as well, and so she mentioned me to you because of the two ties. So she was actually looking into the debt hoax, and I was looking into the flat Earth theory, and she came across you, and you were working on both, at least exposing.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah, both aspects
That's how you
of those.
came in.
So,
Okay, and then you got attracted. Usually, everyone's drawn to my work for a different reason. They want some truth, and they get to this point. And so, what for you is where, oh, this is where I'm the most attracted to the work, and what got you involved, and what did you do yourself?
it was actually Mayor Baba. So I was following your methods of your work, but I was actually intrigued with your posts on Mayor Baba first. And I saw a lot of people who were following you who had his image, his picture of his face, and so it piqued my curiosity, and so I went and I looked him up from there, and then that got me pulled in to just what you were furthering explaining.
And I've since learned you're the consummate researcher. It's like you really.
Yeah, I'm really into it. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you say you looked into me, it was very down to the core, and you were attracted to Mayor Baba. The image of God is so attractive, and then from there you did some of my work too. Like you did some work with the trust.
I did. I got the trust.
Good.
Yes. And then I started to work on my person's credit score.
Great.
So yes. So since then, I actually had a thin file to work with. So I didn't have any supposed debt on my file to.
Yeah, so you're working on raising it from where it was. So you signed the trust, and then you're getting into the credit work, and everything is working flawlessly.
Perfectly, yes.
Yes. So
as it should when you're trusted with God.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. So I don't know, anything other thoughts or parts of the work that came to light in this that I didn't ask you about? Anything come to mind that you want to say about it?
Just that when you trust in God, it's just, I don't know, I can't. Sorry.